Creating a small space that's full of character and style is easy with American Furniture Warehouse. We started with a room that's only 130 square feet, a perfect starting point for renters, students, or even those just looking to downsize from a larger space. I love this landscape canvas print from our Artists of the West program, and we used it as a base for our color palette in this room. We mirror the complementary colors, the blue and orange, found in the artwork throughout the space with the furniture and accessories. The neutral love seat with its tweed texture provides a cozy spot to sit and relax, while the colorful accent pillows help brighten up the room. The mid-century modern coffee table gives the room a retro look and adds functional storage. The bookshelf with its sleek design and open display creates more storage area and allows you to show off your personal items. The bright orange accent chair adds color to the room, and the various plants and accessories give the space a personal touch. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.